AI influencers are taking over Instagram. This account, for example, made over $100,000 in his first 30 days of posting by using this stupidly simple method. But there's a huge problem, because every tutorial I've watched before making this video only shows methods that cost literally hundreds of dollars in credits created. And since I'm just a broke-ass YouTuber, I don't have money for that shit, and you probably don't either. So to show you that literally anyone can do this, I'll start my own AI influencer only using free AI tools and without spending a single dollar. I'll be doing everything from designing an influencer, creating content, and most importantly, revealing the secret method all of these AI influencers are using to make 6 figures per month. Now, let's get into it. The most important step when creating an AI influencer is having a solid workflow for generating consistent images. And to do that, you're gonna need a clean character board of your AI influencer. You'll then be able to use it as a reference image every time you generate a new shot of your character, and you'll achieve results that are both realistic and incredibly consistent. And by the way, I'll reveal the best free image and video tools available in this video, so make sure to stick around for that. The first thing we have to do is to actually decide what our influencer is going to look like. And instead of messing around with a bunch of complicated prompts, I like to use the Pinterest method instead. Basically, I'll just scroll on Pinterest until I find an image that matches the vibe and look I want my influencer to have. After looking around for a while, I found this girl that has the aesthetic I'm going for. So I'll just save it to my computer and open up Claude to turn it into an image prompt. Next, you want to upload the image from Pinterest and enter this exact prompt into Claude, which will instruct it to turn the image into an in-depth Nano Banana 2 image prompt we can use to generate our influencer. And by the way, if you want access to all the prompts and tools I'll be using in this video, I've prepared a free step-by-step document with everything you need inside my free community. So make sure you go pick that up right now in the description. Now, let me show you how to generate the prompt and create your influencer for completely free. I'll be using Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow since they give you free unlimited generations, so you can literally create as much content as you want. So head over there, sign up for an account, and you're good to go. Right here at the bottom, you can select the model you want to use. So I'll set it to image mode and select Nano Banana 2 as my generator model. Next, set the resolution to 9:16 and the number of images to 4. That way, you'll always have a few different generations to choose from. Then simply copy the prompt we generated inside Claude and paste it directly into the prompt box. Now, let's generate it a few times, and as you can see, it created a few solid close-up results that look almost exactly like I wanted. Anyway, to be able to generate consistent images of our influencer, we're going to need multiple angles of her with facial expressions and emotions. To do this, you want to add the first image you generated as a reference and enter a prompt saying something like, generate a side profile image of this woman. Now, as you can see, it'll generate an image of the exact same person, just from a different angle. Then you just want to repeat the exact same process and create multiple different angles like from the back, from the other side, and a close-up image of her eyes showing facial textures. However, we're also going to need a full body image to get an understanding of her length, proportions, and style. To do this, I entered a prompt saying, generate a full body image of this woman wearing a white top and gray jean shorts, street style outfit, keep the same white background. It then generated this image showing her full look, and we now have everything we need to generate a character board. All you gotta do is download all the images of the character by clicking on this button. Something you'll notice is that when you're on the free plan, you're not going to be able to download them in 4K. But don't worry, because I've actually found a way to do this for completely free, which I'll show you how to do later on in this video. Anyway, now we're going to use all these different angles of our influencer and turn them into one character board that'll help us get perfect consistency across all generations. To create the character board, I'll use Canva since it's free and has all the features needed to be able to do this. Start by clicking on New Design and set the dimensions to 19 by 1080. Next, you want to upload all the images of the influencer and add them into the board one by one. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure you add images from all angles and you're all good. It should end up looking something like this once it's done, so just click on the button in the top right corner to download it to your computer. Now, when we add in this character board as a reference image, Nano Banana will have full context of what our influencer looks like. Okay, so now that we have the character board ready, Lastly, we can move on to the most important part of running an AI influencer, which is creating the actual content. I'll be using Nano Banana 2 in Google Flow to do this, and again, they give you unlimited generation for completely free, so you literally don't have to spend $1 to do this. The first thing you want to do is upload the character board you created in Canva and upload it as a reference image. You'll use it in all your generations, which will help you achieve perfect character consistency regardless of what image you create. When using this character board, we can now generate any image we want of our influencer purely from a text prompt. For example, I entered a prompt saying, "Create an image of this girl sitting at a modern cafe in Monaco drinking a matcha latte wearing a pair of black fashionable sunglasses," shot on an iPhone 15 Pro camera. And as you can see, it generated an image of our influencer with perfect character consistency that would be literally impossible for most people to tell is AI generated. However, my favorite way to come up with ideas is by using images from Pinterest and then replacing the person in the image with my own character. Basically, I just went onto Pinterest and looked for images that have a similar style to my character. Then I just went ahead and downloaded it to my computer and uploaded it together with the character board as a reference image. Now, enter a prompt saying, "Replace the girl in reference image 2 to the girl in reference image 1. Keep the environment the exact same and only change the girl." As you can see, it kept every detail of the image the exact same and only swapped the girl in it to our influencer. And you can play around with this feature to create literally any image you want of your influencer for completely free. I created some more images using the Pinterest method, and as you can see, they turn out perfectly every single time. However, generating good images is probably the most important part of the process, and as I mentioned earlier, Google Flow only allows you to download your images in 2K if you're on the free plan. But I've done some research into it and found a secret tool that can upscale your images to 4K for completely free. The reason you always want to max out the quality of your images is because it will make the videos we're going to generate later on look 10 times better. So what you want to do is download your image in the best quality you can. Then go on Google and search for imageupscaler.com. This is a website where you can upscale the quality of your images for completely free. So just click on choose image, upload it, set the ratio to 400% and hit upload and start. In only a few seconds, it'll create a new version of the image with double the resolution. Now you basically just want to repeat this same process on all of the other images and you'll have the same quality as if you downloaded them in 4K. Still, images won't get us far because all the AI influencers that are actually making money are all uploading videos. And you need to do the same thing if you want to see any success with this business model. This is where most people go wrong and start paying for unnecessary subscriptions. But I've done some deep research and I've found a method to generate unlimited videos of your influencer for completely free. To make it as simple as possible, I'll show you 3 types of videos and how to create them for literally $0. The first video type is lip syncing videos, basically videos of your AI influencer talking. And the best way to generate these is by using VO 3.1 inside Google Flow. They're giving you 50 credits every single day, which comes out to around 2 videos plus an extra 100 credits when signing up. To access the video generator in Flow, you want to click on this button in the prompt box and then on video. I'll set the ratio to 9:16 and the generator model to VO 3.1 fast since it's the cheapest and most effective one. Now, just upload the image you want to turn into a video as a reference together and enter a prompt describing what you want to happen in the video. Personally, I'm no prompt engineer expert, so I usually just upload the image into Claude and ask it to write the prompt for me. In this case, I uploaded this image of our influencer drinking a cup of matcha and then saying a line. Claude then gave me a full in-depth prompt that I'll just copy and paste into Google Flow. Now hit generate and it'll create something like this. As you can see, it looks really good with nothing weird going on. So she looks realistic, natural, and completely believable. Okay, so Google VO 3.1 is great for talking videos, but since you're only getting 50 credits per day, it's not going to be anywhere near enough. So I did some heavy research into what other tools are available and found this hidden gem called Arena AI, which is a video generator tool built on Grok that allows you to create unlimited video generations. After playing around with it, I found that it's not great at lip syncing videos, but it's great for videos where your influencer is not talking. To find this tool, you want to go to arena.ai and open up their video generator. Then upload a reference image of your influencer and prompt describing the movement you want. For example, I uploaded this image and entered a prompt saying, "The girl is taking a sip of her glass and then smiles into the camera." Hit generate and it'll create a video looking something like this. Everything is looking completely natural, and most people wouldn't even be able to tell it's AI generated. So if you're looking into creating videos without a dialogue and don't want to waste credits on Google Flow, this tool is definitely a good option. Anyway, up until now, we've only created videos from scratch with a text prompt, but there's actually a way to simply add your influencer into an already existing video. So let's say you want to swap your character into a video and copy the exact movement, then you're gonna want to use something called motion sync. This is a crazy feature that's going absolutely viral right now, with accounts like this getting tens of millions of views. Usually, you'd have to pay for a bunch of expensive subscriptions to be able to do this, but I've actually found a way to do it for completely free. To access this tool, you want to go to your browser and search for one.video. Once you've signed up for an account with your Gmail address, you want to click on Avatar and then on Character Swap. You'll then need to upload an image of your influencer and a video of the motion you want to add your character to. So I just quickly went on TikTok and found this video of a girl I thought had a similar style to my influencer and uploaded it right here. Once you've uploaded both of them, I'd recommend you switch the setting from standard to pro to get the best possible quality. And as you can see here in the bottom right corner, it'll cost us 0 credits to generate it, so you can literally create as many videos as you like without spending a single dollar. Now hit generate and it'll create a video like this, replicating the video from TikTok while swapping the person in it to your influencer. Okay, so now you know exactly how to create your influencer, generate consistent images, create videos, and do all of it without spending a single dollar. But we both know you don't want to start an AI influencer for fun. You want to turn it into a business and actually make money from it. But to be able to do this, you're gonna need to become a master at monetization. And I'm about to show you the exact strategy influencers like this use to make over 100K in their first 90 days of starting. Let's take this AI monk influencer that has grown to over 2.5 million followers in less than a year, posting simple videos about wisdom, and this guy is making absolute bank doing this. However, before I show you how, I know you see these huge accounts with millions of followers and sit there yourself with an empty account with no followers. This is one of the most common problems people run into when starting an AI influencer. They're starting with a fresh Instagram account that has no followers, no history, and no trust to the algorithm, which can be a real pain in the ass. So what I usually do is that I get an aged account that was created over a decade ago that is trusted by the algorithm and comes up with up to 10,000 followers. So if you want to skip that dirty work in the beginning and are tired of being bullied by the algorithm, I'll leave a link to the place I get mine from in the description. Anyway, what accounts like this are doing to make over 6 figures per month with this business model is 2 things. The first one is through digital products. So if we actually click on the link in this account's bio, you'll see that he's selling 2 digital products, one ebook for $23 and a 30-day healing program for $50, and people are actually buying this. You don't need any courses, programs, or anything like that. A simple AI-generated PDF is all you need. However, what if you don't have a huge following or a product to sell, but still want to monetize your AI influencer? So I've done some heavy research into this and managed to find a monetization method where you can earn recurring revenue every single month. So there's this monetization platform called Room 11 that is built for monetizing AI influencers. Room 11 is basically a private platform where you can sell access to exclusive content to your followers you don't want to give away for free on your social platforms. Compared to other platforms like FanView, Room 11 lets you keep 90% of your earnings, which is the highest payout rate in the industry, and you get your payouts literally every single day. A lot of other platforms hold the funds for weeks or even months, which can be a real headache sometimes. I'm gonna go ahead and create an account right now. Takes less than a minute. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. First thing you gotta do is log in with your Gmail account. Super simple. Once you're in, the first thing it'll ask you is your birthday. Then you want to type in a username and add a profile image, but I'm gonna skip the image for now. The last step is to select the join as host option, and that's it. You now have your own private room set up. From there, just accept the terms of service, connect your social media profiles, and do a quick identity verification to finish the process. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Room 11 actually comes with a free built-in CRM. It's called Concierge 11. You can manage multiple AI creators from one place. Track stats, manage staff, everything. Standalone CRM tools that do this stuff charge anywhere from $200 to $600 a month per page. A CRM basically works like your command center. It keeps track of messages, subscribers, performance stats, and your entire workflow in one dashboard. And this is built in completely free from day one. If you're planning to run more than one AI influencer, which honestly you should be, this alone saves you hundreds of dollars a month. This next feature is something I genuinely haven't seen anywhere else. They've got a managed chatting service baked right into the platform. A real team 24/7 replying to your fans for you. So you don't have to go find chatters, train them, manage shifts, none of that. They keep a cut and you walk away with 60% across the board. And there's no contract. You can bail any month. Over 90% of people stick with it after signing up, which tells you everything. For an AI influencer, this is kind of a cheat code. Your DMs are getting worked while you're literally asleep. But there's one more thing I want to mention before I wrap up: traffic protection. Every fan that comes through your link only sees your content. No discovery pages, no competitor suggestions, nothing. Your audience stays yours completely. So you don't have to worry about getting out competed by larger creators. So yeah, that's the only blueprint you'll ever need to be able to start making money with AI influencers. We built the AI influencer. We set up the content workflow. And now you know exactly where to take it to actually monetize it properly. Now go create your own AI influencer. Start posting on Instagram and have your Room 11 profile set up from day one. So every viewer that lands on your page has somewhere to convert. Room 11 is completely free to start, and you'll find the link in the description. If you're already on another platform, they actually handle the migration for you. So it's not a big move. If you found this video useful, drop a like. It genuinely helps. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.